Hiya dudes and dudettes, welcome back. Well, the Colt Police Positive Special has come back from bluing, and here we are with the finished item. Looks good, works well. Got the grips from Taiwan. Cost me $85 posted. They did turn up with a white coloured timber, so I bead blasted the removed the etchings, bead blasted the varnish off and restained it and used some true oil to seal them up, so it actually looks good. And yeah, so it's the Colombian Special, you can see there. Just gives it a nice bit of provenance. And of course we see that, yeah, so as I understand it, that is precinct 59, and the 2692 is the rack number. And I'm very pleased with how their little project has come up. Now, some time at the range. Yay! Thanks for watching.